will not allow me to fly without a SD card. So we're going to have to shut it down and start over again.
So what'd you guys think? Pretty cool, huh?
I think it's.
I'll buy one. He's gonna buy one.
He's gonna buy one.
That's it. That was weird. I don't know what happened there when I was landing. It seemed like he was trying to kick forward, and I don't know really what's going on. That's the reason why when you get a new drone, you sit around and you test it for a while. Otherwise, you'll be caught in a situation you don't want to be in. Make sure that you always test your equipment.
The case.
How much does a case like this cost?
About $300.
And it's already pre-molded?
Everything's pre-molded, ready to go for 2 controllers, extra batteries.
How many extra batteries?
Put in about 6 batteries in here.
6 batteries, okay.
Daddy, I have something to tell you.
Yes, sweetie?
There's a little...
Is your firmware updated? Check your firmware either the night before or the morning of an operation to make sure that it is up to date. Update your drone in a location where you get a good signal for the fastest updates. If you are in a remote location and your drone has a required update, it could take a lot more time to get it. Nothing is worse than arriving at a site only to be delayed because you have to download updated firmware. Security rights are similar to personal privacy rights. The main issues being addressed are infringements to personal and property rights. We're going to share with you how this issue is being addressed. We live in a world of sophisticated spy tools. Cell phones and computers have cameras, microphones, access to the internet, and GPS locators. Public rights are currently being litigated in the civil courts. Courts are examining trespassing, privacy invasion, security intrusion, and safety concerns, all with the use of drones. Drones can be heard. They can be as loud as a bag of bees. Advancements in propeller design has reduced the noise, almost making them silent. They actually had no idea that there was a drone in the sky. The realization can bring fear and curiosity. Drone sightings are being reported daily. Hey, it's Lamar. Thanks for watching another Drone Education Services production. Subscribe now and don't miss out on any of our new videos.
And like and share us on social media. And be sure to register your drone at fadronezone.faa.gov.
And get even more content at droneeducationservices.com. And as always, fly safe, fly often, and have fun.